another video, another episode. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to move because we're in 2025 and we must move very fast. I'm going to say it the way I saw it. I'm going to say it the way I observed it. I'm going to say it the way I discovered it. I'm going to say it the way the stories were delivered to me, the way the stories were given to me by different people, all sorts of people. It's time never to beat around the bush, but go straight to the point and say it and bring it home. Right. You saw the video title and you are right. You saw the video title and you are correct. Thank you for clicking. Now listen to what I'm saying. There's a language that I didn't know is very impressive. There's a language that I didn't know is very much attractive. There's a language that I didn't know is very good. There's a language that I didn't know is very emotional. There's a language that I didn't know that is very romantic. And this language is IsiNDEBELE. IsiNDEBELE. IsiNDEBELE or IsiNDEBELE. Forgive my pronunciation because I am not a Ndebele person. I am Shona. Forgive my brand of pronunciation. So this language is Ndebele or IsiNDEBELE. I didn't know it's very good. I didn't know it's very amazing. I didn't know it's very attractive. I didn't know it sounds very good. It sounds so romantic. It sounds very, very romantic or extremely romantic. I didn't know. I didn't know. Now I got like 3 months studying the Ndebele language. IsiNDEBELE language. I got 3 good months studying this language, researching about this language for my personal reasons or personal interests, my own joy, my own happiness. For me to speak IsiNDEBELE language, I want to speak it. And now I'm at a very good level. And now they say, Unjan, Linjan, Nyaktan, Nyaktela, Ukupi, something like that. So to me, these were my impressions, these were my observations, or these were my discoveries. IsiNDEBELE or IsiNDEBELE language is very romantic. It's very good. Yo is very attractive. It sounds very good. It sounds very, very good. So I was there in Bulawayo. I was there in Matebeleland, January to February 2025. As I said in my past videos or in my previous videos, I was there in body and in my flesh. Physically, I was there. And I had Ndebele people talking. And I'm like, what? What? So when I heard them talking, the language was sounding very good to my ears. It was good music to both of my ears. And I was so motivated to come back to Harare, capital city of Zimbabwe, at home, at the house, and begin to study, begin to research, begin to learn IsiNDEBELE language. And this is what I'm doing. And I'm so happy down to the core. I'm very much excited every day, learning different words. Unjan, Linjan, Ngiyabonga, Ngiyakuthanda, Ukuphi, something like that. And I gave an evidence that truly speaking, honestly speaking, I'm learning this language. IsiNDEBELE language. And these words are always in my mind. These words that I just said right now, that I just mentioned, they're always in my mind, at the back of my mind, at the back of my brain. But otherwise, my biggest impression was that the language is very romantic. It appeals a lot to lovers. It appeals a lot or it resonates very much with the people in a love relationship, in a romantic sexual relationship, to lovers, married couples. I don't mean a girl and a girl or a boy and a boy. No, never. But I mean normal married couples, husband and wife, a girl and a boy, boyfriend and girlfriend. This is what I came to understand when I was busy analyzing and researching. It appeals a lot, it resonates a lot, resonates very much to lovers in a relationship, marriage relationship, husband and wife, love relationship, romantic relationship, boyfriend and girlfriend, a boy and a girl of mature age, obviously. This is what I'm saying. Especially when you say, for example, ngiyakuthanda, ngiyakuthanda. Yo, it feels so amazing. It feels so deep. It feels so romantic. Ngiyakuthanda. You understand? I hope you are following what I'm saying. I hope you are listening to my communication. So this is what I came to learn. This is what I came to realize. This is what I came to discover. This is what I came to understand. In my 3 months, 3 good months of learning, studying, researching about IsiNDEBELE, IsiNDEBELE language, it's very romantic. It's very powerful, very attractive, very impressive. It sounds so good to the ears when you hear people talking. Like the scenario when I was in Bulawayo, in Matebeni province, when I heard them talking, I was like, what? Okay. So the sound was so good to my ears, good music to my ears. I was very happy. I could feel the goosebumps. I could feel the excitement moving around my body, bossing around my body. I'm like, what? Okay. And I was motivated. I was so inspired to come back to Harare, capital city of Zimbabwe, at the house, at the home, and begin to learn, begin to study, begin to research about this language. And this is my take, this is my submission, this is my video to you that maybe I can inspire you to learn IsiNDEBELE. I can motivate you. I can ginger you up to learn IsiNDEBELE. I can empower you up. I can charge you up to start today to learn this language, to learn IsiNDEBELE, to learn Ndebele. Like I said, I'm doing it for my personal reasons, personal interest, for my own joy and happiness, my own achievement and my own accomplishment. To say I achieved the goal to learn this language and I can speak it fluently. I can speak it to a good level or to a basic level or to an advanced level. So it's for my personal reasons, personal interest. I must be able to talk, speak with Ndebele people. I must be able to immerse myself in Ndebele community, Ndebele society without fear or favor, speaking, talking in this language very much. So I'm doing it for my personal reasons. I'm doing it for my personal interest to learn IsiNDEBELE, to learn IsiNDEBELE language, which I found out to be very romantic. You understand what I'm saying? I hope you're following what I'm saying. Thank you very much for listening to me. I appreciate you. I thank you very much. I'm done talking. I'm signing out. Remember to pray. It's healthy for your spirit, for a relationship with the Jehovah, Creator God. In Jesus' name, I thank you. Peace. Sharp.